Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have two products for you to get unboxed, and also we'll do a little setup. So we got the new Sony ZV-1 camera. This is the camera that's they marketed for vloggers because it does have a rotating screen, and this is the vlogger kit. They're in Sony's new tripod that is Bluetooth now. No more a wire that's going from your tripod to the camera. Let's dive into these boxes and let's check the products out. Alright guys, so here is the Sony ZV-1, and this is the rotating screen that they made. Why I like this camera is it has this quick turn on. As soon as you flip the screen, the camera turns on, and it's actually really fast. And then when you flip the screen back down, it closes. Nice portable camera. Nice grip that they added right here in the front. Now let's dive into the Sony Vlogger Kit. Alright, so here's the Sony Vlogger Kit. Let me put the box away. So it comes with a tripod, the battery that I just put inside. It is the round one. Let me show you. So it's that little round battery right there, if you guys could see. It's the CR2032, so you could buy it pretty much anywhere. And then it comes with this microfiber bag, so you could always carry this on the go inside. Pretty cool to have. Probably not gonna use it, but hey. So, and this is the box that was inside that other box. So now let's get both of them paired up. Now the pair up process is very simple. You pretty much want to go into settings on the camera. Let me change the camera angle for you guys. Alrighty, so now you could see this better. So what you want to do is you want to go to the globe icon, your network 1, scroll down to network 2, and then go to Bluetooth settings and click Bluetooth function on, and then Bluetooth remote control on as well. Once the two things are on, you go to pairing, and then all you have to do is click the photo button and your zoom up button together. Hold them down. So mine was already paired, but what you do is you click the photo and this button and hold it for 2 seconds, and then pair mode activates on the camera, and it shows that the device is now connected. Very simple pairing process. I love this tripod, very easy to use. So when you put the camera on it, what you could do now is there's a button right here, this one. You press it and the camera could flip forward to you, or you could flip it back down. Also, there's a button right here. This one is to move it up and down. So it's very convenient because this has a flip screen, so you could move it into multiple directions depending on how you're vlogging. I like this tripod. It's really nice to have as well. You could just set up your camera and vlog as well on a flat surface. So that's pretty much it, guys. My Sony ZV-1 and the Vlogger Kit review. Give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and click that subscribe button. That would help me a lot as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.